and I have special guest Emma, and we are going to be pouring kinetic sand into this giant bucket. So I will be opening it once she pours it. Fine, so first we have to review it. We're going to cut it open. We do not know how it's going to turn out. Yeah. We're so excited. We never done this before. Because I have Connect Sand on my channel. Not on this channel, but my friend Taylor's channel. She's going to do a video on that. And this is the kinetic sand. And it looks like actual sand. Yeah, okay, so when you have Connect Sand, it doesn't really stick together. But I can't wait to touch it. When it touches, so I'll show you. See, it doesn't really stick together. See, if you pull it apart, it doesn't really stick. But it reminds me, have you guys, well, it sort of reminds me of the sand from LOL Surprise, when you, well, LOL Surprise pets, when in their litter boxes. Oh my gosh, I'm having a heart attack with this stuff. Okay, so yes, this is Connect Sand. It's basically just, it looks like sand, obviously. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really good. Feels so soft and it's so squishy. Here, let me okay, guys. So it doesn't stick together that well. Okay, but this is very good. So we're gonna put it all in the bucket. We start putting it all in the bucket, and then we're gonna actually get really into it. So we're gonna scoot this bucket over here. Hold on. We're gonna get this all out. Right on. Oh gosh, guys. We're gonna get like a little bit. We're both gonna get a blob. And then I'm trying to get it on the table. And we may try to make something kind of like a beach or something. Yeah, or we're gonna see who can make the best things. So let's see who can make the best beach. We can use any resources we opened in the previous. So I guess. And those of you who click to subscribe. Yeah, and if you guys had any extra containers like these from Little Woodsies, they fit perfectly for Connect Sand. So if your friend gives you any of hers, and Sophia Dawsey, if you're watching this, we love you. Yeah. So and Taylor Swift, just yeah, she does. I'm not the biggest fan of her. So, and our friend Kayla is cuckoo about Justin Bieber. Yeah. Now, back to the Connect Sand. So this is, it's basically, so if your friend ever gives you some of Connect Sands, and you have any containers from Shopkins, anything like that, any surprise containers, they fit perfectly. And then, hold on guys, we'll be right back. Come here, Lane. No. Hold on, guys. We just finished the video. Let's just finish the video. I have to talk to you, Lane. No. Okay. So we're gonna have to delete this video. So this is just basically, and if your friend ever gives you any, you can perfectly fit into the container. And it's just perfect because you can make anything out of it, and it looks like a beach. There's also Connect Sand that you can, like, it floats on water. Okay, we love you guys. We'll see you later, maybe. Well, she'll see you because I have to finish up this video. So yeah, and you can make donuts. And guys, stay tuned when we make a squishy video. Yes, and maybe even slime videos. So stay tuned to that, and we'll be doing a toy hunt later today. So stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.